It's Toys R Us's birthday. Celebrate in true Jeffrey style with amazing birthday deals. This year, Toys R Us are offering 5 lucky winners a year's supply of toys to review on our YouTube channel and a chance to become our Toys R Us YouTube stars for the year. To enter, you must find your favorite toy and record a 3-minute video telling us what you love about it and follow the YouTube talent search banners to upload your entry online. To find out more, visit toysrus.co.za. T's and C's apply.